Hello everybody. So today I will talk about algebra. The question is from the movie The Mysterious Benedict Society on Disney Plus. Here is about a real question on the movie. The question said that fill in the blanks with the appropriate numbers. So in this one we have 5 sequence in here. We need to fill the number in here. So now I will show you how to answer the question. The sequence number 1, we have 0, 12, 36, 60 and 168. If we look carefully about this one, we see that the difference between 60 and 72, they add about 12. This one similar, they add about 12 and number 12. So that means we have 12 too in here too. So the next number in here should be about 12 plus 12 is about 24. 36 plus 12 you will have 48. 48 plus 12 you got about 60. The next one should be about 84. The next one in here we have 120. The next one is about 132. And the next one should be about 144. That is the sequence number 1. Sequence number 2. If we look carefully, we have 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 8. That means they repeat about the last digit about even number, but 7, 8, 9. So the next one should be about 110. Because number 8 they repeat back to number 0, but we need to add more one digit on the next one. So 9 you got about 10. 10 plus 1 you got about 110. So this one should be about number 6 and we have number 2. Because if you look carefully, we have 3, after that they go to number 5, but number 8 go to number 0, we add more than one digit. That's why we have 4 plus 1, you got about 5. So the number in here, we have 2, 6. The number in here, we have 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 1, 2, 3. Next we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The next one, that should be about number 6. The next number to number 13, that's about 14, 15. And the last one we have 0. 16 plus 1 is about 170. Now that's about the sequence number 2. The sequence number 3, we see that we have 1, 3, 9, 3. So the last digit is about the odd numbers. So we have number 5. That means we have number 7. And we have number 1. Because 1, 2, 3. Because 9 go back to number 1. So we have 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 1 is about 4. So we have 41. Similar, this sequence number 2, we have 5, 6, 7. We have 7 in here. 8, 9. And another 9. But number 9 repeat back to number 1. That's why we have 8 plus 1 plus 1, we have 10. Next one we have 125. This one is about 137. 1, 4, 5, 6, 161. And that is the answer for sequence number 3. Sequence number 4, we have 9 repeat back to 1. That means they repeat back just similar for the sequence number 3. So we have 1, 3, 5. Number 2, we go to number 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 105, 129, 165. Now the last one, we have 5, 7. This one should be about number 9. So we have 5 in here. So this one should be about number 2, 3, 1, 1. And this one is about 83. This one should be about 1, 1, 9. Later that we have 1, 4, 3, 1, 5, 5, 1, 6, 7, and 1, 7, 9. And that's it, the answer for all the question number 6 in here from the movie. This is the end. Thank you for watching.